In order to make your graph as neat as possible, you're going to use the text feature. So click on the T. It's going to create a text box for you on your sheet. Then you can move it over to your graph. You're going to enter in your value. And then you can kind of move it into place on your graph. You're going to come back over and click another function to create another text box. And that's what makes the editing function disappear. These might not be the values for your graph, but I'm just teaching you how to use it. Then you're going to come back, create another text box, and use this to label your axes. You can't turn the font as it often looks, so you can just drag it off to the side here. It's okay if it comes onto your graph a little bit. To draw your points, you're going to come over to your pen and draw a relatively big dot. That way, when you click on your graph, it looks like a dot on your graph. So you're going to graph all your points this way by just kind of clicking the marker. You kind of have to move it over as if you're drawing just a little dot on your graph. If you mess up and draw something way too big, of course, you can come down here and hit the erase. Just come and erase that point and draw another one. Then, as you're drawing your line to connect all your points, this is really hard to draw a straight line. So make it a thinner line so we can still see your points. And then do the best you can to connect your points. Again, it's not perfect, but do the best you can to connect the points. Just make your lines smaller so that we can still see the points that you graphed in the right places on your graph.